Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I have just been having an amazing time in a state that has had tons of snow, and these ZIONOR Lagopus ski goggles have totally helped me. The first thing that really stood out about these glasses was the clarity of being able to look through them. It had a visual light transmission of 16% and they were polarized, and it had a perfect view. I was also super impressed about the ventilation system that it had. It had vents on the bottom as well as the top, and this really helped with the fog. My glasses didn't fog up, especially when I was riding on the razor and in the cold with the body heat emanating. I thought it was cool how the straps were kind of a double secure feature, so that way if you wanted to be able to make them bigger or smaller, it worked really nice depending on if you needed a helmet. And then it was so easy to be able to fit sunglasses or eyeglasses inside of the mask and then just slip the mask right over your face. So if you're ready to step up your game, your snow playing game, but at the same time enjoy your time, I highly recommend these goggles. They truly helped me, and that is just my point of view.